What is universal basic income? UBI is a regular and unconditional payment given to everyone every week or every month. Everyone receives it regardless of their income, wealth, or employment status. How much would everyone receive? Different proposals suggest different amounts of UBI. Guaranteeing a basic level of financial security for everyone, sufficient to cover the cost of basic housing, food, and clothing. Would UBI replace all benefits? No. Most UBI proposals keep housing benefit and disability benefits. Many UBI proposals replace child benefit with a more generous UBI for children, where parents and guardians received half the UBI amount for each child. Do very rich people get paid a UBI? Yes. High earners would effectively pay their UBI back in increased tax, and a wealth tax would mean the wealthy are not better off. Is it better to target financial help at the poorest? Targeted benefits have to be means-tested, which makes them complicated, bureaucratic, inefficient, and increases admin cost. With targeted benefits, recipients may have to wait months to receive benefits, whereas UBI has no delay, as it's always paid every week or month. How much would a UBI cost? Is UBI affordable? With UBI, it's important to distinguish the gross cost from the net cost. The net cost is the total amount paid out in UBI, minus the money it would save. Higher taxes and a lower mental health budget would cancel out some of the cost of a UBI. In the UK, economist Card Widerquist has modelled a UBI of £7,706 per adult and £3,853 per child per year. The net cost would be £67 billion per year. The UK spends over £93 billion per year on corporate subsidies and tax breaks. We could pay for a modest UBI solely by ending or reducing these subsidies and tax breaks. What effect would UBI have on the economy? Would UBI increase inflation? Since 1982, Alaska has paid a partial basic income annually to all of their residents. Compared to the rest of the United States, inflation has decreased since the partial basic income was introduced. A partial basic income was also provided in Kuwait in 2011. Kuwait already had high inflation. Inflation actually got better, decreasing from record highs to under 4%. Is UBI popular among voters? Yes. A 2022 YouGov poll shows there is a significant majority of support in the UK. Studies have shown that UBI increases employment, increases wages, increases productivity,